Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's happening? All right. Welcome in. Happy Monday morning, afternoon, wherever, whatever, whenever, whatever time, wherever you're at. Hello, what do you know? Good afternoon. It is the Swag Show. It is Monday. We are live. We did it. We did what we told you we're going to do. Let's get some people in here and continue this journey together. Peter Parker, Steven Seagal, Chris, Will, Peter, James, Will, Wonder. Why are the same names popping up? That's crazy. How you been, Steven Seagal? It is a magnificent Money Monday. Welcome in. Good afternoon. How's the music level? How's the microphone level? How's all the levels? What's going on? Why is there nothing in the trade right now? I don't know. That's weird. Anyway, nothing in a trade, but we're here. We are here for your viewing pleasure. Here for your viewing pleasure, if you didn't know. It is the Swag Show. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Colin. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's give an alert out, shall we? Shall we? Shall we give an alert? Yes, I think we shall. Oh, my word, I can't type. There we go. Got it. Premium alert activated. Premium alert is activated for those of you in the group, in the chat. You know what that means. It's game time. It's money time. Hopefully, we can get a big win here. My word, why is this lagging so bad? All right, there we go. We got the alert. Cabal 5-0 Yo, Dylan, Camille, Kostin, Albert, Saturn, Siphon, Ace, Vintage, Anna, Familia 5077, Reiner, Luco, Lucho, Lucacho, Tammy, Bing Tang. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. Watching BoldBot, fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let me put this right up here on the screen. That's ES. Let's watch NQ. And we'll see what's going on. Kevin Jensen, Enrique Sergio Munoz. Good afternoon. Welcome in, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastic, magnificent Money Monday. Let's get these likes up here going. Come on. Keep tapping that screen. Get some more people in here on May 12th. Monday, May 12th. Where's everybody at? Where is everybody at? Big move up here. I don't know if we're going to get this pullback. We are now above 900. But that's okay. Sometimes you don't get the move that you want. You just got to look for the next best setup. Very interesting. Very interesting. How's the P&L today? Glad you asked. I'm glad you asked. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 PAs. 1, 2, 3, 4 PAs. 227, 265, 265, 265. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 80, almost $1,000 on the day. Almost $1,000 on day one with these 4 brand new $50,000 Apex PA accounts. Any favorite moving average? No, not really. You can look at moving averages on different time frame charts and it'll give you different results. So it all, I guess, depends on what you like to look at when you're trading, you know. This is a big move up here. This is a 60-point move from where we were just at. Almost 50-point move. 50-point move in this one 5-minute candle from where we were just at. I might have to squeeze it so you guys can see it here. Move it on down. Look at this. This candle was way down here at 86 and it went all the way up here to 934. That's 50 points pretty much. Chichi, Morty, Julian, Maddie, Kyrekos, Ethan Cross, welcome in, good afternoon. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean until your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. The more people in the stream, the more viewers I can get, the more people might sign up for BoldBot, the more lives I can help change. If you haven't followed me on the Purple app, follow me over there on the Purple app. I am live on Twitch as well and on YouTube. Also, make sure you follow Ben, Jen, and Lauren. They also go live. We go live alone. Doing a trade today? Possibly, if the algorithm kicks in. Santa's in one right now. Speaking of that, let me grab Santa and show you Santa. There you go. Santa's in $150 short. $220 short. Here, we'll make it even cooler looking by making it bigger. There you go. I'm done manually trading for the day, though, JP. I made my money already, so I am not taking any more manual trades. I did give out a premium alert trade in the group. We're waiting to see if we can get a pullback to where that's alerted at. But for now, we're just letting the algorithms run and see if we can't watch it take some trades. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. I am your host. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email this email on the screen, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Welcome in Sparky, Hamzik, Samurai, Jose, God's Gene something, William, John K. Hello, hello, what do you know? It is the Swag Show. Happy Monday to you. I hope everybody's having a fantastic Monday. Dip down, consolidated. Now it's trying to move back up. We're at the open high, open level, right back to the open level here. So we'll see what it's going to do. Might be able to. Victor Lopez, welcome in. Hello, friend. How are you? Jean Bonaparte, Coco Melon, Gasper, Gabriel, Ryan. Good afternoon. John K, thank you very much. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Dina, Gabrielle, Sarah. Hello, hello. We are up $227 on one account. Well, really $220 after taxes, basically, after the commission fees. So we got 220, 256, 256, and 256. Pretty good day. Like I said, in between 100 to 600, I'm happy. 200 to 600, I'm happier. So 265 is a good start, good first day on these PA accounts. I don't know how to do all that cool stuff, like put my profit and all that on the screen. I'll have to ask Ben if he knows, if he can show me how to do that. I'll have to ask Ben if he knows how to do all that cool stuff. Those young whippersnappers, these kids, they know how to do that. Welcome in, Valen, Living My Best Life, Scott, Emil, Lasser Arts and Crafts, Arnold, SP, Freeman, Tyler, Keep Fight, welcome back, brother. User, Bertonero? Am I saying that right? Bert One Row? I don't know. Midtown Customs, welcome in. Good afternoon. Wakan John. All right, I think we can move this up. We can now move this up a little bit here. Let's put it up here. Let's zoom in so we can get the accuracy. Yeah, we're going to move it up to there. Let me... where's that? There we go. If you have not followed me on the Purple app, please go give me a follow over on the Purple app. I'm also live on YouTube. 3 streaming platforms for your viewing pleasure or displeasure, whatever whatever you think. Razor, welcome in. Good afternoon. TP, Rambone, JP King, Lobido, Spire, Stefan, Jordan, 77, Moji, Samurai, Henry, Trade, WM, Wakanja, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen. Get the likes up. Get the viewers in here. Get some people chit-chatting about whatever you want to talk about. Doesn't have to be about trading. We could talk about anything you want. Music, sports, food. Let's have a conversation. 23, Trade the Rip. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Jorge Luis Adami. Welcome in. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Happy Magnificent Money Monday. We're trying to see if we can get a pullback here to enter a trade that I have premiumly alerted. 1 out of 3 today. Not the best on the premium alerts. Trump was speaking on one of them. I didn't realize it. But that's okay. It's okay. Can't bat 100% every day. But I try my best to give you guys the best alerts possible to get at least 5 points or so out of each trade that I give out in the group. And if you want those trades, they're only $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that for the premium alerts. How did the trades go today? Okay, well, I did good. I made 256 across 3 of my PAs, 220 on the other PA. So we're up close to $1,000 on day 1 of our 50K PAs. NQ early was 1 for 1 for $200. NQ prop, which is a premium, is green 450. Visual long green 380. NQPBV day is green 150. ES new is green 250. NQ new green 350. Santa's actually green 1300. So yeah. And the premium alerts, I am 1 out of 3 technically. So we're down on the day on the premium alerts, but not by much. So we're hoping to get in another one right here that I alerted in a group. Need a little bit more of a pullback, but yeah. Kelly, Jose, Daniel, Alan, I'm going to stop trading, Joker, Eric. Yeah, Nadine, they are PA accounts now. Yep, they are PAs. I'll show you here real quick. Let me pull this over so you can see it. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 PAs. 220, 256, 256, 256. So that's close to $1,000 in day one. Close to $1,000 in day one. I'm done for the day. I've been done for a while, just watching the algorithms go. So yeah, that's all profit. Now I just have to build up my buffer. Like I said, I'm happy with anything really 200 to 600 a day on those. That way, by the end of the month, I should be close to being able to take a withdrawal by the end of May. So, Mr. VIP, welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? Puddles, Adam. Thank you guys for tuning in and being here. We got Big Bang NQ. Oh, I must have moved something. Hold on. That looks funny. There you go. There's the long on Big Bang NQ that we are in. We got visual short in the trade. We got Santa in the trade. Let's go ahead and split the screens for those people that are watching on the Purple app and on YouTube. You can see both of them side by side. 2 different trades going on, 2 different strategies, 2 different algorithms. Come on over to the Purple app and watch. You can see both of them. Follow me, Swag Show Kyle, on the Purple app or on the YouTube BoldBot. We are in a long now on the premium alerts. Let me move this up here so I can track it. Okay, we are in long. We are in the long. We're hoping for that to just be the pullback, and now we're going to shoot back up to the moon here. That's what we're hoping on. We want Santa to close out of the trade, and we want Big Bang NQ on TikTok to start winning and going up. We don't want them to go down. We want them to go up. What was the negative amount for the trade of 8? What do you mean? I don't have a negative amount. Legacy Builder Sam, hey, there. Okay, now I know who you are. You are in the group. You wanted me to message you. I will do so probably later tonight after the kids' baseball game when I get back home, if that's okay. Otherwise, I can do tomorrow morning. Let's go green, baby, on these people on the manual alerts. Let's get pumped up. Let's smash the like button. That'll help NQ go up. I really do want Santa on the Purple app and YouTube to close out. That means we're going to reverse and go back up. We want NQ Big Bang on the right on TikTok, what you're watching, to go up. We're up 3.5 points on the premium alert right now. We want that to go up for all the people that took the premium alert in the group that you get for free when you sign up with the algorithms. Otherwise, if you just want the alerts, it's $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Yeah, no problem. Did you watch the video that I made? That's the first thing. I gave her some gray hairs. If you haven't watched the video that I made, it should be in helpful info. It's like 16-minute long. Watch that first, and then that'll help me at least know what you've watched and understand about it. But I'll help you out, my man. No problem. No problem. What is going on? This should be reversing here. It should not be going down. It should be going back up here. I don't know what it could be, a bigger pullback than expected, but everything in my eyes is showing that that should have been the pullback. It could actually come down to around 880, 20,880. It could go down that far. I hope that was not a reversal at 918. It is 123. It could just be a pullback. Hopefully not very big on this 15-minute candle, but we shall see. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's get some money for the people in the premium alerts here that are wanting this to go back up. I want it to go back up. I don't like giving losing trades out. All I can do is go off of what I'm seeing and what some indicators and stuff are telling me. Today might be the first losing day if this one loses. We need it to go back up here, though. We do have a 30-point stop loss on the premium alert trades, but everybody's ATM and stuff should be their own. You know what I mean? Like, don't follow me if your account size isn't big enough to handle that. All right, awesome. So you have watched the video, Sam. Got it. No problem then. I will help you out. No problemo. I would do it today, but it's going to be busy after my stream. I got to shut everything down and go do some errands. Then I got to go to my kids' baseball game tonight. So I can possibly, like I said, do it after that. Let's go back up here, NQ. Come on. We want Santa to actually close out. So we give these people in the premium alert a chance to make some money here. Sean, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Keep smashing that like button or whatever. Tap the screen. If you have the purple app and you want to follow me over there, I'd appreciate a follow over on the purple app. Swag Show Kyle. Remember, Apex is still doing, I believe, the 80% off for the next couple of days. Let's go ahead and check that out. See how long the sale's going on. 8 more days, yeah. So use the code SWAGSHOW over at Apex to save yourself 80% off an evaluation account. It helps me. Sugar Plum, Fairy, oh, thank you. I appreciate the gift. Thank you very much for that. I am not, but I appreciate you. I'm by far not the GOAT, but I appreciate you. Kenny, on the other hand, in the group, he's the GOAT. And Lauren, of course, the CEO of BoldBot, she's the GOAT. But me, I'm just here to try and make a fool out of myself for your entertainment pleasure, you know. Let's go back up. Come on. Let's see if we can hold here at this 20,880 level and reverse it and go back up. We don't want Santa to win on this trade in particular. It's already green 430 on the short. So it could close out, in my opinion, and turn around and go back up. That's what we really want for those people that I gave the premium alert to. Remember, it's only $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. Most people are making $500 a day on these premium alerts. Today, I'm 1 for 3 right now, not including the trade we're in. So we're down a little bit. We're down about, let's see, 60 minus 20. We're down about 30 or 40 points. But that's okay. One trade can turn that all around. This can reverse right here and shoot to the moon. That's what we're hoping on. Let's look at some other charts to see if that's possible. Low volume. Not a lot of volume. It needs to get up and above 20,912 to really kick into gear. There is a lot of support below here. Hopefully it doesn't pull back past that 80 level like I talked about. So we'll see. It did consolidate for a good hour and a half earlier in like a 20-point range, 40-point range. I don't know. Maybe it's bigger than that. My eyes are deceiving me. 760 to 7. No, that's like a 40-point range. Yeah, it was consolidating in a 40-point range for over an hour and a half. So it should have. It did move up from 1210 all the way up to 110. So for the past hour, it was moving up. So now this is a little pattern that you might know happening on the 5-minute chart. If you are a student of Lauren's and taking the digital mentorship, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you might notice some type of pattern happening. I'm not going to spell it out for you, but it might be a good sign here. There's the stoppage on Santa. That's good for us. That means we could be in for the move up that I want. And here is Big Bang. It's moving up. It got in the trade at 20,894. I gave my alert a little bit higher than that, but we are green 7 points. So there's plus 8 points. Let me put that in a group. There's plus 10 points. All right, now we're moving on up. Now we're going to make some money here, folks. Keep tapping that screen, please. We are in a long $250 in the green. We're up 10 points on the premium alert. 95 day trader. Welcome in, brother. How are you doing? Long time no see. I gave out the premium alert in the group to go long at 20,898. We are plus 10 points above that at the high water mark. Currently sitting points plus 7. Big Bang NQ that you're watching on TikTok is in at 20,894 and a quarter. So a little bit better entry on Big Bang, but hey, we're green. Yeah, we're green today. We are definitely green today. I have 4 new 50K PAs with Apex that I'm running strictly on micros only, and I'm up $256 on 3 of them and $220 on the 4th. So almost $1,000 day. Not bad day. I'm going to shut it down. Like I said, I'm happy between 200 and 600 a day. If I do that for a month, I'll have a big enough buffer built up where then I can take a withdrawal of, $500 to $1,000. Oh, day trader, man, thank you for the roses, man. It smells so good. I appreciate it. I ain't going to do that NPC stuff, so you're going to knock that off. But I love you, man. I appreciate the gifts. But yeah, so almost $1,000 day on day 1 of these 50K PAs from Apex. And you could get yourself a Apex eval. Use the code SWAGSHOW. Get yourself 80% off. Help me help you help others, because I will be doing a giveaway. Somebody will win a free month of the box seats algorithms. I have to talk with Lauren about that. We'll see if she's still wanting to do that. But once I start making some withdrawals, I will be giving away some accounts. It all depends on my following. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, please go follow me over there as well. I'd appreciate it. It's Swag Show Kyle on the Purple app. Otherwise, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. We're up 11.25, 11.5 points now, 13. I'm waiting to get it up to 15 so I can put it in the chat that we're up 15 or 14. There's 15 points now in the green. I can't type points. There, 15 points, 16 points, $400 trade now over on Big Bang, 17 points as the high water mark on the premium alert. This might get people even for the day right there. We'll see. There's 18 points at the high water mark. You got to have a bigger buffer and a bigger stop loss and a bigger trail if you want to get the bigger moves. But if you're just looking to make a quick 100 or 200 a day per trade, do it on micros. You don't have to do it on minis. I used all micros today. All micros. All micros, and I made over $250 in each account. So, Can't Spam, what up, brother? How are you? We're in a long, up $435 or 18 points. Premium alerted, given to the group. You got stopped out. How'd you get stopped out? You mean your trailing stop loss hit? Is that what you're saying? So you made money, though, because this trade shouldn't have lost. Do you use micros because of it being a Monday and the huge gap over the weekend? No, I use micros because they're brand new PA accounts and the buffer isn't built up high enough yet. What am I trading? NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. Use the conservative ATM. Yeah, but you should have still had a 30-point stop loss even on micros. Are the evals funded this week? Yeah, they're PAs canned. Yeah. Yeah, I showed it. Here, I'll show the results again. I'll move this over and show you guys. Like I said, 100% transparent PA, 265, 227, so 220, 256, 256, and 256. 4 brand new PA 50K Apex PAs. Yep. Yep, and those were on micros. I only ran 2 micros on the on at the most is what I'm trying to say per trade. 2 micros. Lauren's over there in the group giving out premium alerts on ES. If you want to look at that, if you're in the group and you're wanting a premium alert on ES, Lauren just alerted over there as well. NQ on what time frame? Right now, this is on a 5-minute chart on TikTok, what you're watching. But I use all different, and the algorithms and strategies are different based on what algorithm and strategy you're running. So we want NQ to keep going up, 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 and away. That way the people in the group can make some moolah. They can make some moolah. We're green right now, sitting around 5 points green, which is still $100. If you're in the premium alert trade, it did run all the way up to like 18 points in the green. So depending on what ATM strategy you used or how tight you're following it with your trailing stop loss, it'll all depend on how much green and profit you made. So most people, their ATM should kick in around 5 to 8 points. It all depends on what you want to do and how far you want to follow it behind, or if you want to manually move it. It's all up to you. Everybody's different. Don't base your results on anybody else's results. Everybody's trading journey is different, and your results are going to be different from everybody else. Just have in mind your goal for the day and stop when you get there. That's all you can do. So now we got Big Bang in a trade. We got Santa in a trade. Let's see. Can we pull this over? There we go. All right. So Santa's in a short. Big Bang's in a long. We'll see who's going to win the battle of the bots here. And you might be wondering, well, how can you be in a long and a short at the same time? Because they're on different accounts. So as long as they're on different accounts, you could be in one direction on one and one direction on the other. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Happy Money Monday. Magnificent Money Monday. We'll see what happens here. Santa locking in profit was guaranteed 220. It moves the stop loss at 200, I believe, locks in $75 worth of profit. So, yeah. Hello over there. Nobody commented on YouTube. Anybody on Twitch on the Purple app say anything? No, that's okay. That's okay. Not a problem. It's all right. I forgive you. Let's see. Where is... There we go. This one. There's back up to plus 5 points here. We wanted to hold this level at 20,880 at least, maybe even 20,895 now, and just continue up. So, all right, Santa exited out. That's a good sign for us because he was in a short, which means Big Bang NQ should continue to go up, and so should our premium alerts. Crazy game of poker. It was a crazy game of poker. I had somebody comment in the YouTube channel, and Lauren yelled at me. She said, "Stop." No, it hit the trail. I think it hit the trail of $75. Let's look. So it got in at 20,903 and got out at 20,899. So whatever that is, 5 points, 4 points, something like that. Yeah, around 4 points. 4 times 20 is $80. So yeah, $75 profit. Yep. So $75 profit on that Santa trade. We're green 7.5 points right now in our manual alert. It went as high as 18 points on the alert. We're still in that trade. As well as Big Bang NQ is still in this trade. We'll see. We want it to go up. We want NQ to go up, 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 and away. All the way up to 20,930 would be nice. That would be a nice, healthy chunk of change. Might put everybody super green for the day if you can hold on to it. I know a lot of people get nervous, and a lot of people they see the big money and they want to stop out of the trade, but if you don't let the trade go, your account won't grow. Mark that saying down by your boy Swag Show. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out on this magnificent Money Monday. You are watching BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. There's Big Bang moved the stop loss, so it is guaranteed green. It is guaranteed some moolah. Let's see here. How much moolah is it guaranteed? I don't know. But let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Make it a little bit bigger, a little bit cooler, so you guys can zoom in with me and see exactly where it is. Boss Trading Circle. Stop coming in here and spamming. Nobody wants this nonsense in here. Thank you for coming in the stream, though. Appreciate you. Back up to plus 10 points on this premium alert. Like I said, it went as high as 18, so we want to see 20 points as our next update. Anybody have any questions, comments, concerns? Do you want to talk about anything besides trading, sports, food, music? I'm here for it. Let's have a conversation. Let's get to know one another. Miller back to slow and steady gameplay. The losses are easier to cope with, and there seems to be less of them. Up 450 on PA port so far. There you go. Congratulations, Miller. You got a swag, buddy. You got to stop when you're at your goal. It's still hovering right around 10 points of profit. That's okay. We'll take the slow step up to the top here. We're green $240 on the Big Bang NQ trade. Thank you guys so much for the gifts, for sharing it, for the likes, the follows. Keep tapping that screen. I don't know where everybody went, but I'm here for you. We were up to 30 people. Now we're down to 18. I guess their lunch break is over. They got to go back to lunch. Speaking of lunch, I haven't had any lunch yet, but I am going to go get lunch, and we're going to go get the oil changed in the car, and then I got to come back and get ready for my son's baseball game tonight. So, yeah, I got busy afternoon and night, and then tomorrow I got more busy stuff. Got to go meet with the lawyer in the afternoon after the stream, so that'll be another fun day. Then Wednesday, hopefully I can relax. I don't have any plans for Wednesday as of right now. And then Thursday, another baseball game. And then Friday, I think I'm going to a concert in the evening, hopefully. We'll see. See what happens. We just play it one day at a time, guys. You live one day at a time. You enjoy every moment you get here with your friends, your families, your loved ones. And you try and make as much money as humanly possible without getting greedy and, busting your accounts. That's why you got to swag. You got to stop when at goal. You got to have a goal. You got to stick to your goal. You got to have a game plan. Mine is 200 to 600 a day per account. I'll be happy with that. Today I reached that goal, so I am done. As soon as I reach that goal, I shut everything off. I don't let anything else trade. I don't want to risk giving anything back. I don't care if the algorithm's running at 95%. If I make my goal, okay, I take that back. If it runs at 95%, I'll scale way down to like 1 micro, if it's worth it. But most of the time, I just shut everything off and stop trading for the day, because why risk giving back what you already made? So that's what I do. I made my money within the first half an hour, I think, of the market being open today. And I was done. That was it. Then I sat here and I watched the markets. I watched some charts. Watched some Twitch. Talked on Discord with some people. Played some video game. But yeah, what's everybody else doing? Are you at work? Are you struggling? Are you struggling to make a living? Are you at a job that you hate? I'm telling you guys, trading can change your life if you just give it time and learn what you're doing. Let the algorithms go on micros, slowly build up your accounts. You only need $100 a day on 20 PAs, and in 2.5 months, you'll be able to withdraw 10K every 8 days. And if you don't believe me, just do the math. It's pretty simple. You're at work making sure all your setups are correct. Hey, that's a good thing too. You definitely want to triple check all your settings before you go live trading. Trust me, I've blown hundreds of accounts doing that. Not checking 3 times to make sure everything's set up correctly. So, been there, done that, learned my lesson. The hardest part is stopping when you're at your goal, whether it's a win or a loss goal. I set mine for 500 a day loss. If I lose 500 in one day, I'm done trading on these brand new PA accounts. And if I make my goal between 200 and 600, I'm also done. So, are more days probably going to be around the $200 range? Yeah, but that's okay, because $200 a day is $4,000 a month per account. And at the end of that first month, then I'll be able to withdraw $500 from each account, and that'll be 500 times 4 is $2,000 every 8 days until I, build up. So I can live off of $2,000 every 8 days, guys. I don't know if you can, but I can. I'll be all right with that to start out. And then slowly and surely, we will grow it up to that 20 account size. And then we'll be making like 10,000 every 8 days. And then you double those accounts and you'll be making 20,000 every 8 days, and so on and so forth. It's just a slow and steady process, but you can do it. We can do it together. I'm here to help you. You help me, I'll help you. That's how it goes. Follow me on the Purple app on Twitch. Support me over there. Follow me on the TikTok. Tell your mom, dad, brother, and sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, grandma, grandpa's friends. Tell everybody know you saw it on the Swag Show. Come join the BoldBot community. Get the premium alerts. Start out that way. Get the standard algorithms. Do those on micros. doesn't take a rocket scientist. It just takes patience. You got to play the numbers. We're almost at 20 points here. We're at 19.5. We'll see if we can get to that 20-point mark where I can alert the group. There it is, 21 points. Plus 20 points on plus 20 points on my move on NQ. We are green, 20 points. The stop loss has moved up into the green. We're still green, 20 points now. 20 times 20 is 400 bucks. As you can see, Big Bang NQ is pretty close to my entry that I gave in a group. It's green 455. I did not get my job back, for those of you that know that situation, so I will be here with you guys, unfortunately. Just joking. I love you. I love being here. I love being able to do this. I'm not growing as a streamer, as a person that, sits here and tries to make my money off of streaming. I don't know how to really do that. I don't know if I really want to do that. It would be great if I had 50 to 60 people in here every time I stream. And, especially on the Purple app, people give subscriptions, and you can make money off the Purple app streaming, off of ad revenue and stuff like that. That would be great if it came to that. But for now, I'm just happy to be here Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. Are we taking the highs? It looks like it. Looks like we're going to go for the highs from earlier. Yep. Slowly but surely. Need to get up to 20,993, it looks like, to make the overnight highs a new high on the day, I guess. But yeah, like I said, that's the one thing about NQ. When it wants to run, it's going to run one direction or another. Lauren, on her ES, she's in an ES short, I guess, for some. Lauren's in an ES short. We're in an NQ long. That doesn't usually mesh up well for one or the other, but we'll see. We're green, 20 points. Trying to get to 25 points now. 25 points. I will update spreadsheet. NQ day waves is also in a long at the same time. That's good news for us. Not so much good news for ES and Lauren's alert, but we'll put it right here and we'll see what it does. Side-by-side comparison here on the Purple app and on YouTube. NQ day waves on the left, Big Bang NQ on the right. Premium alert is 22 points at the high water mark now. This thing could just keep going, canned. Could just keep going up and take those highs out. We'll see when it gets to around 20,930-ish. We'll see if it can bust through there. But right now, we're on a slow, steady climb up. NQ day waves, green 205 there. NQ Big Bang green 445 on the right. If you haven't followed me over on the Purple app, please, guys, go follow me over there. I know a lot of people on TikTok don't have the Purple app if you're not a gamer, but I'm trying to change the platform. I'm trying to be the first big streamer that does day trading on the Purple app. I don't know if anybody does that over there, but yeah, yo. You're in it, hoping it was. Okay, good. Let's go up then. Let's make canned spam some money. Let's make everybody in the group some money. Let's make everybody money. I'm not in it anymore because, like I said, I hit my goal. And that's one of the hard parts, too, is not having FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Like, I wanted to be in this trade so bad. I wanted to get in another long and make more money, but The consistency rules with Apex come into play. The thought of taking a losing trade after I've already made my daily goal comes into play. So there's a lot of factors and discipline and time that I've had where I just have to be happy each day meeting my goal and look at the big picture. Looking at the big picture. Bollywood Shaka, welcome in. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here. Stella Trades, welcome in. Bobby's World Pranks, good afternoon. What do you know? Welcome into the Swag Show. We're in a $535 long on NQ Big Bang, $265.75 on NQ Day Waves, and we're up 22.75 on our Premium Alert. We're trying to hit that 25, and there it is, 25 points now on the Premium Alert. 25 points on the Premium Alert. That's $1,000, right? No, $500. Sorry. Did you see Ben this morning? No, I did not. I did not get to watch Ben this morning. I was busy doing emails stuff. Hello, Bobby's World. Welcome in. Good afternoon, brother. Got to be honest, this is an absolute FOMO trade, but it's on an eval, so yeah. If it's an eval, YOLO it. You know, add 4 contracts to it and let it run and take these highs out, and you're rich. You passed an eval. No, I'm just playing. Don't do that unless you really want to. I don't care. But I'm just saying, don't follow me except on the Purple app and on TikTok. But yeah, FOMO is real. Fear of missing out. Like, I want to take a long here so bad, but I can't. You know why? Because I already made my goal for the day. I already met my goal for the day, and tomorrow's a new day, and we'll meet our goal again hopefully tomorrow. But just to hop in a trade because it's going one direction is not the way to trade. You got to have a reason to get in a trade. Just because it's going up doesn't mean that it can't reverse and come back down at any minute, especially if you don't know what you're doing, looking for certain things, key levels, blah, 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 you know? Two for two for his own trades and was up 10K. Nice. Nice. What is that? Libs do homework. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thanks for tuning in and being here. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, follow me over there as well. Swag Show Kyle. If you want an Apex 80% off eval account, use code Swag Show. Follow me, follow Ben, follow Jen, follow Lauren. I've got a link tree in my profile. Click on some of that stuff. Go to where you need to go. Tell your friends about the Swag Show. Get them over here. Get them in the BoldBot family. Let's get them making some money. So he took 2 manual trades on his own and he made 10K. That's great, man. I'm happy for him. I did not get to tune in, though, this morning. I was busy doing other stuff. We got a couple minutes left here in the stream for the day. Man, time flies when you're having fun. Didn't even realize my time's almost up here. Is it better to mark out the wicks of key levels or just the bodies of those candles? Usually just the bodies. How much does the bot cost, and does it work with Take Profit Trader? Yes, it does, and it's $250 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms, which do include the premium alerts that I've given out in the group, and we're up 30 points at the high water mark on one of those trades right now. Or the premium alerts are $1,500 a month. If you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com right there on your screen. Yeah, canned, it's usually the body of the candle that they say to go off of, because the wicks could have been from anything. It could have been from news or whatever, but yeah. All right, back down to up 18 points on the premium alert. We're still in the Big Bang NQ trade and the NQ day waves long, so